3 easy steps on how to apply for electronic visa to Japan for Philippine passport holders.
Starting in early 2021, the Japanese government will introduce a new electronic visa for visits to Japan from the Philippines. The Japan e-visa for Philippine citizens requires a valid passport, completion of the online application form, as well as other official documents. Since the process will be entirely online, applicants will no longer have to visit the Japanese embassy to obtain a Japan visa. The Japan online visa system would simplify the process of getting a visa to travel to Japan. The online visa system for Japan would tighten immigration controls and contribute to security during this time. Step 1. Check all requirements. Japan tourist visa requirements. A valid passport with at least 6 months validity and 2 blank pages. A completed and signed visa application form. A recent photograph size 4.5 by 4.5 centimeters in color and with a white background. An official birth certificate or a certified copy. If the traveler is married, it is necessary to submit a marriage certificate issued within 1 year. Schedule and travel plans in Japan. Proof of sufficient funds for the trip in the form of a bank certificate and income tax return. An outline of travel plans in Japan with dates, activities, contact person, and accommodation. If someone else will be funding the trip, the application will need to include a letter of guarantee from the sponsor, proof of the relationship between the applicant and sponsor, a copy of the sponsor's bank certificate and income tax return. Step 2. Fill out form in A4 size, link on the description. Step 3. Pass all documents to accredited travel agency in Manila. List of agency are provided in the description box. Once the visa becomes available, individuals will be able to quickly and easily submit their Japanese visa application themselves using the online application form. For more information, check this website. Visa or Consular Services, Embassy of Japan in the Philippines, www.ph.embjapan.go.jp. For all nationals who wish to apply, refer here. www.visajapan.com/visatypes/#specified.
Please like and subscribe!